கண்டு கொண்டேன் காதல் முகம் கண்டு கொண்டேன் விரல் தொடும் தூரத்திலே.
Okay guys, so I'm already starting with some jewelry on, and we're gonna go ahead and color correct our skin. And you guys know how important this is. I will show you guys a difference just now, but I'm applying it around my mouth and also my under eye area. After this, I'm going in with the foundation and using my favorite iconic London foundation brush. I love this brush because it really keeps the foundation's full coverage and blends everything out perfectly. And after that, as you can see, I'm doing two concealers, one that's in my shade and one that's a little bit lighter. The lighter one I am using to highlight my face as well on the high points of my face. So my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And I've already blended out the concealer because there's only so many times you guys can see me do that. But now we are baking under the eyes. And I've also contoured just a little bit already, but it's not too much, so I didn't focus on it. But we're just using the same powder to just carve out that contour just to really keep it clean. And now I'm putting the same powder in my smile lines because it really helps with creasing. Going ahead and applying blush on the apples of my cheeks now. And now I'm going in with highlighter, our favorite step, and of course just doing it on the high points of my face, which is basically my cheekbones and T-zone and temples on my forehead. That made no sense. Hope you guys understood. Now I'm going ahead and bronzing my face. So I focused a little bit more on bronzer than contour with this look just to keep the skin very subtle. I'm going in with the red eyeshadow and just packing it right into the crease. Taking a burnt red eyeshadow again and just really blending that out. As you can see, I'm just blowing it out onto the crease. So a little bit higher than the crease. And now I'm going in with the red eyeshadow again and just really packing it onto the lid. This is because I want the red to be very opaque. And once I did that, I applied some eyeliner using that same red on the waterline and really just dragging that down because I want this to be a really red smoky eye. Once I did that, as you can see, I put some lashes and we're going in with my favorite mascara and just applying this on the bottom lashes. It's my favorite mascara. And once we've done that, I already applied some brown lip liner and we're just going ahead and putting on this lippy, which I thought went really well with the red eyes. And that is basically the final makeup look. And I'm going to come right back with some jewelry on and putting my punta on. And that is basically the final look, guys. I know this is a quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have lots more coming soon, so stay tuned and I will see you guys in my next video.